Hello students, welcome back to your maths class. Now let's continue our previous chapter, three-dimensional shapes, under which today I'll teach you how to draw nets of solid shapes. Before that, let's discuss about nets. That what is a net? A net of a 3D shape is the outline of its faces joined together from which the shape can be formed. In other words, we can say a flat shape that can be folded to make a solid shape is called a net. Let's draw the net of a cube of edge 4 cm. Here is the rough sketch of the net of cube. As its edge should be 4 cm, so it will be like this. 4 cm, because there are total 6 faces of a cube, so the net of the cube would look like this. 1 2 3 4 5 and the 6th face can be attached over here. Another way is it can be drawn in this way, where you can attach all the 3 faces together on the top and the other 3 faces downwards. So 6 faces. This is also the rough sketch of cube. Another way is that you can attach. Now let's draw the net of the cube using a graph paper. So I'm going to take 2 faces on the top. Since edge of the cube is 4 cm, so 2 square faces on the top means 8 cm. Okay, so draw a line segment over here for 2 faces of 4 by 4 cm. 1 2 3 4 in this way, then 4 to be here, so 2 faces. Now rest of the faces downwards, so 2, then 3 4 5. It means 3 faces I need downwards. For that 3 4s are 12, then again 12 cm downwards. That means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Okay, 12 means here I'll get total 4 3s are 12, means 3 faces. These must be in the square shape, so 4 by 4. 1 2 3 faces I have drawn. This is the 4th one. 4, 5 and 6th one will be along with the bottom face. So again 4 by 4. So this is the net of the cube of edge 4 by 4. So this is the net of the cube, and if we fold this, after folding it would look like this: a cube with 6 square faces. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So this is the cube that we will get after folding this net. So here is a rough sketch of cuboid of size 8 cm by 5 cm by 3 cm. We'll treat all these three dimensions like first length, then breadth, then height. And its net will be almost same as we have drawn the net of a cube. It will contain 6 faces. Here we have to take length one time, then breadth and height are to be repeated. So 8 cm by 5 by 3 cm by 5 cm by 3 cm. So in this way we have got 4 faces. Now only 2 faces are left. For that we'll paste them or attach them on the top face. As breadth of that face is 5 cm, so breadth will also be of 5th and 6th face will also be 5 cm, because the next face is of 3 cm width, so we have to take their width also 3 cm. So after this, now we are going to draw it on a graph sheet. Now let's draw the net on a graph sheet. As I already shown you in the rough sketch that I'm going to take 3 faces upward, so that will be of 3 cm, 8 cm and 3. So total 14 cm we needed over here. So total 14 boxes. This way. Length. So here length is given 8 cm of the cuboid. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and breadth is given 5 cm. That means 5 boxes downwards like this. 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the length, breadth and height is given 3 cm. So 3 boxes here downwards like this. So now we have taken length 8 cm, breadth 5 cm and height 3 cm. Again we have to repeat length, breadth and height. So 5 and 3, that means 8 boxes further. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Eight boxes, 3 at the bottom and 5 on second last place. Okay, and 2 are to be attached on the top. So it will be 3 by 5, because height is given 3 cm. So it will be 3. Eight centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. 3 centimeter. Again 5 centimeter. 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. So this is the net of a cuboid with 6 faces. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So this is the net of a cuboid, and after paper folding it would look like this. With 6 rectangular faces, top, bottom and lateral faces. So this is the net of the cuboid. The next is we have to draw the net of a triangular prism with the triangular base of each side 4 cm, since it's the triangular part is always an equilateral triangle, and length or height of the prism, that is 7 cm. Because it's triangular prism, so it will have 3 rectangular faces, that is 7 cm by, because the triangular part is of 4 cm, so width of this part will be 4 cm and 4 cm. Then each side of the triangular part will also be 4 cm. So this is the rough sketch of the triangular prism. Now we'll draw the seam on a graph sheet. So what should be the length of each face? That is 7 cm and width should be 4 cm. Now let's draw 7 cm it's 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 by 4. 3 times 4 means 12. So I'm going to mark 12 boxes in a single step. So 12 boxes. Now divide them in 3 parts, 3 rectangular parts, 1, 2, 3 and 4, each containing 4 boxes. So 7 by 4, 7 by 4. Right. Now we need equilateral triangles on the middle part. So what is the midpoint of this? This one. It means now the measure of this slant side should be 4 cm at this part, because this is the midpoint of the middle rectangular part. So now we have to check where we will get 4 cm. So here, as you can see, here we are getting 4 cm. So join here this part, 4 cm and 4 cm. Same way here, wherever you will get 4 cm, you have to join. As you can see on the same 1, 2, 3.5, 1, 2, 3.5. At this we are getting each side of triangular part is equal to 4 cm. Like this. Okay. So here seven by 4, then a triangular part is also 4 cm, 4 by 4, again 4 by 7. So here is the net of the triangular prism, and after paper folding it would look like this. Okay, this is the triangular part, 4 by 4, length or height. If we are treating it like this, putting like this, then it will be the height, otherwise it will be the length of the triangular prism. So as you can see, 2 triangular faces and 3 are the rectangular faces. So this is the net of a triangular prism. Now in the next part of nets, we are going to draw the net of pyramids, triangular pyramid and square pyramid. Till now, the nets that we have drawn, in all these you must have noticed that all the faces were flat and they were joining each other at a segment. So all these nets in which the two faces are joining each other at a straight edge, all of them are called prisms. Okay, so this is cube, or we can say that this is the square prism, because each face of of this cube is square, so that's why its another name is square prism. And this is the cuboid, and its another name is rectangular prism, because its each face is a rectangle. Okay, then this is triangular prism, because its bases are, both the bases are triangle, that's why it's called triangular prism. Now let's talk about the pyramids. So what are pyramids? In pyramids you will see that they are having flat bases, but their lateral faces join each other at a tip on the top, and lateral faces are always triangles. Okay, so this, and the pyramid is always named according to its base. If its base is a triangle, then it will be called triangular pyramid, and if its base is a square, then square pyramid. Similarly, for a pentagon base, it will be pentagonal pyramid, and in hexagonal base it will be the hexagonal pyramid. Now let's draw this triangular pyramid, net of triangular pyramid, or another name of this is tetrahedron. To draw the net of a tetrahedron or a triangular prism, here as you can see I have drawn a triangle, and this is an equilateral triangle of whose each side is 14 centimeter, 14 by 14 and by 14 centimeter. Now just take the midpoint of each side, because it's 14, so midpoint will be at 7, this, and here the midpoint will be at 7, means this is the midpoint. Same way here, this is the midpoint. Now just join all the midpoints like this. So here this is the net of a triangular pyramid, and after folding the paper you will get this shape whose each face will be a triangle. As you can see over here, each face is a triangle. So this is the net and the 3D shape of this tetrahedron. One more thing that I would like to discuss with you, that you can draw this net using compass as well. Okay, in that case you just draw this base triangle, equilateral triangle. After this, open your compass to any measure, means it can be equal to the sides of the base, or it can be more than that one. Okay, like this. Here this is this one. Now you can open your compass more than this, means the side triangles, lateral faces can be isosceles triangles also. There isn't any hard and fast rule that all the triangles should be equilateral, but the condition is that the base must be equilateral. Now let's draw a square pyramid. For that, the base is required, that must be a square. So I have drawn the square over here. Now I'll draw this net by using compass, so that you can come to know that how you can use compass to draw the net. Now as the lateral faces must be triangular. Okay, for that there isn't any hard and fast rule to take the measurement equal to the base length or side length of the base. You can take the measurement, take a different measurement. It can be more than this or lesser than this. So I have opened my compass 5 centimeter here. Now taking these vertices as center one by one, just mark arcs over there and intersect the previous one with the help of the second arc like this. Then towards all sides you have to just mark these arcs. You will find that it is much easier to draw the net using compass. Okay, like this, intersect the previous one. So we are getting points of intersection. Just make a hole over there. Okay, then join all the vertices with that point to get the net of a square pyramid. Later on, if you want, you can erase these arcs. Otherwise, if you want to keep them as such, then there is no problem. So this is the net of the square pyramid. And after folding the paper, it would look like this. Base is a square and the lateral faces are triangles. So here is the net and the 3D shape of a square pyramid. So that's all for this session. Now we'll meet in the next session with a new topic. Till then, bye bye. Take care.